Hey guesser, welcome to Guess Factory. How good are your eyes to find out the odd emoji? Before start the video, please read the rules of the quiz game and share your points with us. So without any delay, let's get into the video. Take a good look at the emojis and tell me which emoji is odd among them. Time's up, odd emoji is right here. Let's try to find which emoji is odd. If you got the odd among them, make sure to like this video. Time's up, odd emoji is standing right there. How good are your eyes to detect the odd among them? Time's up. If you got the odd emoji, make sure to subscribe our channel. Let's see how good are your eyes to detail the odd among them. Your time is over now, odd emoji is right there. You are doing great so far. Can you find out the one emoji that is different in this level? Time's up, odd emoji is right here. Only the most observant people will be able to detect the odd among them. Time's up, odd emoji is right here. This one might be trickier. Can you find the one emoji that's different in this level? Your time is over now, odd emoji is right here. Your time is over now, odd emoji is right here. How good are your eyes? Can you find the one emoji that's out of place? Spot the odd one out. Time's up. This emoji is odd. There is one emoji in this level that does not fit. Can you find it? Time's up. You guess right. This emoji is odd. You are doing great so far. Now let's try to find out the one emoji that's different. Your time is over now, odd emoji is right here. Try to find the emoji that does not belong. Time's up, you guess right, this emoji is odd. Let's see how good are your eyes to find out the different emoji among them. Time's up, odd emoji is right here. Can you see which emoji is odd? Comment down your answer. Time's up, you guess right, odd emoji is right here. which emoji is different from others. Try to find it out. Time's up, you guess right, odd emoji is right here. Do you see which emoji is different in this level? Time's up, you guess right, odd emoji is right here. This level is easy. Let's try to find out the different emoji. You guess right, odd emoji is right here. Find the different emoji that does not belong. Time's up, you guess right, odd emoji is right here. Time's up, you guess right, odd emoji is right here. Time's up, you guess right, odd emoji is right here. This is our last level. Try to find out the different emoji and comment down below how many quiz you guessed right. Time's up, you guessed right, odd emoji is right here. Thanks for watching today. You played really well. Comment down your point and of course subscribe our channel for more videos.